Hey, Cheryl Force here, your Senior Vice President of Sales and Training. Did you hear? We have a flash coming your way. A flash of Booking Blitz. Look, we already know you've been at it, you've been out there holding parties, but why don't we kick it up a notch in the next couple of months and do a flash Booking Blitz to help you get on the phones, work those text messages, hit those PMs so that you fill your calendar with even more parties. Because guess what's coming up? The holidays, and guess what we need? Money. So we might as well ramp this thing up with a flash Booking Blitz, help you get the business you're looking for, and let's rock it out, because this rest of the year is going to be amazing, but we need you. So tune in October 1st, October 2nd. We're gonna have live content coming your way, lots of prizes being given away, over $50,000 worth of prizes in this Blitz, so you wanna be part of it. We'll see you there next week. Be sure to show up.